What'd you think?
Yeah.
Not much of a kick, huh? Pop that out. There it goes. Now go get it. Hold this. Let's see what you did.
For some reason it just got really hard.
Okay, you are ready to go. Now he's gonna say, you say pull. You gun up already. You say pull, and you wait till that thing goes out, okay? As soon as you think you can shoot it, shoot at it. So you say pull, Bob will hit it.
Pull.
He got it! You got it! You got it! Nice shot, Jack. My first time, man, Jack. That is awesome. Holy cow! That's awesome.
Yeah.
That is impressive, brother. All right, how do you unload this? Make sure it's not aiming at you, because it's going to shoot out. The shell's going to shoot out. Aim it to the side when you turn it, otherwise that thing will shoot you right in the face. See? All right, now go get it. You don't want to leave that.
Try it out, dude.
You see that?
Yeah.
It must be in the blood.
Yeah, it must be. Good shot, Jack. Congratulations.
Nice,
Very
Jack.
good. Very good.
That's your first time with skeet, Jack?
Yeah.
Congratulations. I've learned a bunch. I haven't hit it yet.
Welcome to Gunhead Central. Come on down.
Good job.
Gunhead 3, the next generation.
We're just trying to be
How
ready.
high is it going to go?
That was
Pull.
Reach up, thumb, push down. It's going to shoot forward.
Reach up with my thumb.
Yeah, push
pull it down.
Okay. Now you are shooting. You are ready. Put your ears on. You got your ears on?
Yep.
Okay, go for the balls. Yeah! Good. Nah, 2 out of 4.
Is that high?
Barely. Yes! Nice shot! Right on! Right on!
Very close.
Little low. Nice!